What is up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video, and thanks for tuning into the channel. Today, I'm really excited to unbox the Galaxy S9. We're gonna go ahead and open up what's inside, and the cool thing is, I got the Lilac Purple edition. I'm really excited to check out this color. I didn't even go to any stores to get hands-on with it, so this is gonna be like our maiden Lilac Purple voyage. It's gonna be pretty cool, I'm really excited, so let's do this. Okay guys, so I got the smaller Galaxy S9, not the S9 Plus, so I think it's a 5.7 or 5.8 inch screen, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out. In typical Samsung fashion, you get this little black sleeve guy, so let's just get this puppy out of here. Samsung got some tape, so we'll just, boom. Okay, so you open it up and the box is actually really nice. It's got this like little blue inside, really nice to touch. Samsung Galaxy S9 with pull tab. Cool, so I'm assuming you got your SIM ejector kit and some toilet literature. Cool beans. Ooh, and here it is. I mean, ooh, look at just like the purple sides. We'll put that away for a little bit and go through the box. SIM card. Nobody cares. Power brick, I think it's only quick charge 2.0. Here's your USB-C to USB-A connector, your USB-C cable, AKG headphones. So cool. Also looks like you got some more little ear pad guys. So thanks for sending the ear pad guys. I know I lose these quite a bit. Let's just go ahead and get in with the phone. How incredibly satisfying that is. Ooh. There is the Galaxy S9 in Lilac Purple. This is just, I'm gonna have to say it's a gorgeous color. I know I got a lot of flack for ordering this one, but honestly, this is freaking sweet. I don't regret getting Lilac Purple at all. So I did get the smaller version. It is 5.7 or 5.8 inch screen. You can see that's where the fingerprint sensor is. That is that. This is sweet. Definitely a good size for one-hand usage. See that? I can get to the top and stuff. I'll go ahead and turn this puppy on and we can go ahead and set it up. You can see that the sides are like this brushed aluminum color and it's just really nice. There's your USB-C and headphone jack and speaker power button. Hi there. Your volume rocker and Bixby. Bixby. This is gonna be really sweet. I'm like super excited for this guy. Check that out. Here is the Pixel 2 in kind of blue and the Galaxy S9. Lilac Purple. Right off the bat you can see that one of them looks a lot more premium than the other. This one is just Bezel City. So here you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this puppy up. Can't wait to actually get this out and go hands-on with it for a while. We're gonna see if the dual aperture actually helps at all, and definitely gonna put it to the test against the Pixel 2. I'm gonna have to argue that the Pixel 2 is the best smartphone cameras on the market right now. Excellent dynamic range, so much detail, portrait mode front and back. So be on the lookout for the full review of the Galaxy S9 and also camera comparisons against not only the Pixel 2 but the iPhone 10. We're gonna do camera comparisons and portrait mode shootouts, so if you guys are interested in that. Also, I think I'm gonna do a comparison with just the selective focus mode on the native Samsung camera app and also comparing it to porting Gcam and seeing how HDR Plus does, and also the single lens portrait mode does with the Gcam port. So look out for that. This is Reggie and I'm signing out. Thanks for tuning into the channel and I'll catch you guys in the next one.